Hey guys, Rhett here down in Birmingham, bringing you another property from my client Mech. Mech is on fire. This is his third Section 8 rental in a matter of months. He just literally bought, about 2 months ago, he bought 3 properties. We have a tenant in one, we have an inspection lined up for the other, and this rehab's about to be finished. He's absolutely killing it, about to be cash flowing about $4,000 a month. So super excited for Mech. Guys, want to run you through this. We are about 80% through the rehab here. This house was a train wreck. Mech bought this for about $30,000 and he's putting in $36,000. If you saw what this looked like beforehand, you wouldn't even believe it. This house has made a complete transformation in a really short amount of time. Okay, now guys, in here we had a full-scale fireplace going up through the roof, coming out. It came out about this far, and it was, the entire thing was leaning like crazy. Okay, what we did was we ripped the entire fireplace right out, all the way up through the ceiling. We drywalled the entire thing, drywalled the ceiling, took the whole piece out, redid the entire floor, restructured the floor around it right here, okay? All this stuff is about to be painted. It's gonna look amazing. We've already had carpet in here. It's freezing. We're gonna be putting dual window units in a bunch of the rooms, so heating and cooling. We do not have an HVAC in the budget for this house. We are doing the window units. We are running 220 amp plugs to the units, which our electrician's gonna come and put in as well and tie into the system, okay? So this window unit, we're gonna probably get rid of, but that's just there for now. With that being said, we move in from this living room into this living room right here, okay? Now, this living room right here, good size, looks good. This entire back wall was completely rotted. We took this thing, brought it all the way down. We did an entire new roof on this whole house. This wall had considerable water damage from that bad roof. The entire thing was rotted. We ripped the whole thing out, re-drywalled it. We're gonna paint it here in the next day or so, and that will be really nice when that's finished also. Guys, the kitchen, we put an entirely new vinyl floor down in here. It looks great. The old floor was rotted, looked disgusting, terrible. So it's really nice having this floor. Another issue was the old subfloor was terrible. This subfloor, rock solid. The only reason it just made that noise because we have this terrible old oven stove here that needs to go in the trash. All right. So guys, working our way through here, we have our washer dryer hookups that will go right here. All of these will be cleaned up. This is our old school water heater. Okay, we got to clean that up as well. We're gonna trash this oven slash stove. These are all in good shape. We'll put a piece of hardware right here, but otherwise the cabinets are good. There's plenty of storage on both sides of the kitchen, which is great. Okay, the countertop, you can't see it because we got some drywall on there, but it is in good shape as well. And an entirely new floor here. Really happy with it, okay? Into this hallway, guys. So we came from the living room. That's where we came from. Right here off this hallway, we have bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, good sized bedroom. We we have a good spot in here, and we will be putting, obviously we have our closet here. We'll put a window unit in here as well to make sure that it is suitable for heating and cooling, okay? Coming back into the hallway, guys, we have our bathroom down here on the right. Now, the bathroom, we put all new flooring in here as well. So the flooring in there was rotted. We had a bad subfloor. Last piece that we'll do in here is we'll clean out that tub totally, reglaze that tub, and it'll be good to go in there. So really happy with how the flooring in here turned out too. And then guys, at the back of the house, it's a small 3-bedroom, but it's a great 3-bedroom. We have, of course, all new carpet in here. We have already a window unit housing right here, but we're actually gonna have to move that. So we're actually gonna take our window unit, we're gonna put it here because we have better access to electricity down here, okay? So we're gonna put our window unit here. This will be an operating window right here. We have our closet right here, and we'll put a door up as well. The doors are on order. The doors will be in here on Monday. So right across the hall, we have our third bedroom, biggest bedroom in the house. It's a really good size. We have someone staying in the bedroom right now. He's cold. He's cold. He's not moving too good. He's a cold-blooded animal, and there ain't no heat going on in here. So we built this closet. Closet turned out great. Really, really good. And we'll finish this closet up, but really nice size closet that we just built in here as well to make this a legal bedroom as well. It's freezing in here because this glass is cracked. This cracked the other day. We went to take the burglar bar out, and it went right through the window. It's an old window. The glass is extremely, extremely thin. So what we'll do is we'll put our window unit, our cooling unit in here, and we'll leave one of these windows just as an operating window. We have our closet already built, and that's it, guys. We've put our light fixtures in. A lot of this house has drop ceiling. Some of the tiles are bad. We're gonna pop those out, put new tiles in, but otherwise, we're a couple days from being done here, and I'm really, really happy with how this came out. I wish I was able to get here to do a before video for you guys, and so you could see what it was. This was a nightmare house. Mech, my client, was extremely patient with this house. He had it under contract for, I want to say 4 months, maybe 5 months before we ended up closing on it because the amount of issues that it had in title. There were a lot of liens on it. It was disgusting. It had trash. It was not looking like it does now. And what we have been able to do, what Mech has been able to do, is take a piece of property that was worthless, and he bought it for about $30,000. But what is it doing? What purpose is it serving? It's not serving any purpose. It's sitting there vacant. It's got liens on it. Nobody wants to buy it. Nobody can do anything with it. What does he do? He comes in, he buys it, we do it right, we do the rehab nice, the house is gonna be great. And now a family that's living in a bad situation, whether it's living with relatives or living on the street or living in a housing project, now a family that needs a 3-bedroom home is gonna have a place to live. So what a great transformation. So proud of you, Mech. This is the 3rd house of your next 100. So guys, if you're interested in this and you want to be like Mech, get in the descriptions, shoot me an email in the description below, and we'll get you started, we'll get you set up. But look forward to hearing from you. Leave your questions, comments below, and we'll see you next time.